In our previous lesson, we took a look at some of the ways blog posts might not work, and now it's time to look at some ways to make content work for you. The first thing we're going to take a look at is segmenting your content into different categories in order to achieve different goals. Unless your blog is very tightly niched into a single well-defined category, chances are you have some variation on your blog that could be used to segment readers. Here are some examples. Your outdoor blog could be segmented into fishing, hunting, and camping. Your internet marketing blog could be segmented into SEO, blogging, social media, etc. Your recipe blog could be segmented into various diet types and so on. These are just a few examples. Almost all blogs have the potential for segmenting, which is not only great for SEO purposes, but it's also great for matching calls to action to the content. Let me give you another example. Let's say you have a blog that focuses on outdoor recreation. You could have segments for fishing, hunting, and camping. Now, you wouldn't want to use the same lead magnet on your fishing content as you would on your hunting and camping content. Sure, there would be some crossover from people who enjoy all three types of outdoor activities, but what about people who don't? It's a much better and smarter idea to segment your content. Create a different lead magnet for each type of content so as to give you the best chance at grabbing an interested subscriber. If you have a beginner's guide to fishing as your lead magnet on your fishing articles, you'd have a much better chance of getting those readers who are interested in fishing to subscribe than you would if your lead magnet was about bow hunting or choosing the right sleeping bag for camping in really deep snow. I'm sure you get the idea. I understand if it seems like a lot of extra work to create lead magnets for each segment of your site, but the extra effort would be well worth it. Not only that, but you'd have a different segment for each topic on your list too. Meaning you'd have your fishing list, your hunting list, and your camping list, for example. If you have a hunting product, you can send it to your hunting list. If you happen to find a product that could appeal to all your list segments, you could send it to each one. There's no denying, it makes good sense. But it's better to segment so you're not constantly sending the wrong messages to the wrong people. In the next video, we're going to take a look at a few different types of article formats and how you can use each one to help you reach your goals.